The protests against the Dadri incident and M.M. Kalburgi murder have led to various writers and Sahitya Academy awardees returning their awards. Questions are being raised about the timing and manner in which these awards are being returned. Now, even the basis for the awards being returned is being called into question as to why they were not returned earlier, when similar incidents of alleged intolerance took place. Government has been willing to enter into a dialogue to get to the root of the problem, and now many artists too are supporting the government's stand that returning awards is not a solution or an appropriate manner of protest.
बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग के ऊपर ये जिम्मेवारी है कि वो समाज को तोड़ने की किसी भी प्रक्रिया या किसी भी प्रयास का जाने अनजाने में एक स्वयं भाग या पार्टी बनने के बजाय समाज को जोड़ने के रास्ते ढूंढे।
स्वाम विकास के लिए उन्होंने नरेंद्र मोदी जी को वोट दिया है, तो किसी तरह उस विकास के मुद्दे से फोकस हटा के इस तरह की बातें, इंटॉलरेंस, गैर बराबरी, गैर अदम रवादारी, ये चीज़ों के ऊपर लेकर आ रहे हैं.
Renowned actor, director and producer Kamal Haasan has also questioned the rationale of returning awards as a means of protest. So has eminent dancer Sonal Mansingh.
And except you will insult a government or the people who gave an award to you with love. इससे कुछ नहीं होना. You bring attention to it, but there are many more ways of bringing attention. Those people who returned their award are capable of bringing attention like this. They're talented people. One article by them will bring in more attention than returning the award.
आजकल अवार्ड वापसी का एक क्रम चला है और अभी तक 10,000 के आसपास का आंकड़ा है जिनको मिले हैं. तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि 60-65 वर्षों में 125 करोड़ के देश में यदि राष्ट्र आपको सम्मानित करता है तो उसका मूल्य क्या है और उसका स्थान, गरिमा क्या है. तो उसको किसी सरकार से जोड़ना एक तो गलत है.
On his 50th birthday, Hindi film star Shah Rukh Khan had commented about the intolerance in society. His comments have been the subject of a debate after BJP General Secretary Kailash Vijayvargiya questioned his nationalism, saying Shah Rukh's Atma is in Pakistan. The BJP, however, clarified that Vijayvargiya's views were not that of the party, compelling the BJP leader to take back his tweet. Bollywood has come out in support of the actor and his nationalism, but has also said Prime Minister should not be dragged into such controversies. Many senior ministers in the Narendra Modi government have time and again made their position clear that government does not support any kind of intolerance, saying that because of its diversity, India by nature cannot be an intolerant nation. DD News.